Hey guys, Ellie from Excellence Property Management here. So thank you for checking out our monthly newsletter for June. So as you guys know, each month we like to give you a preventative maintenance offer to try and help you save money on your property and on maintenance, but also to help you try and get ahead of maintenance as well. So today I'm joined by Louis from GNL Plumbing. So
Hey guys, how are you?
Probably looks a bit weird, we're a little bit far apart, but obviously we're making sure we're complying with social distancing. So with our maintenance offers, obviously they are there and they're designed to help you get preventative with your maintenance, help you keep your property well maintained. So Louis, can you explain, obviously as the plumber and as the expert, why is it beneficial or why is it important for owners to get a plumbing inspection done?
It's beneficial for many reasons, obviously. Obviously one is major reason is that they can burst and they can flood flexi hoses and all that sort of stuff. Other reasons are that it can save you money in the long run, proactive maintenance, before the worst occurs. It's one of many, really.
Yeah, yep. So we talk about flexi hoses, which is the main one. So when we're talking about flexi hoses, have you seen a situation before where a flexi hose could have been prevented?
Yeah, definitely. I was talking to a lady, or called out from a lady ringing up, pretty upset, and she come back from 4 weeks holidays, and I reckon the whole 4 weeks the house had flooded and there was like a swimming pool inside. Flexi hose had burst and it caused many issues, and she was out of her house for about 6 months. So
wow,
that's a big thing.
Yeah, okay. So just a quick rundown. What actually happens? Like, what do you actually do when you go to a house and do a plumbing inspection?
Basically, what we do is we go there, we do a visual inspection. We inspect every pipe, every wood pipe, every tap. And make sure that everything is okay in good working order, just so you don't have that phone call saying, hey, you've got a burst pipe and swimming pools in your house. So we check everything on your flexi hoses, signs of rust, signs of kink pipes and all that sort of stuff. And just make sure that everything's safe and everything's working. So
yeah, cool. Well, like obviously I deal with maintenance all the time, and very often we get a job here and a job there for a leaking hose or a leaking tap or that kind of stuff. So I guess it'd be really good for the owners to try and get it all in one hit, as opposed to continuing to send you out.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, guys, look, it sounds like a great offer, and it's actually very cost effective as well. So to get these guys out to do a plumbing inspection of your property, it's only $85 plus GST. So have a bit of a read. I've given a bit more detail as to what goes into it and what we need. But if you're interested, definitely give us a call or shoot us through an email, and we'll get Louis out there to get your pipe sorted.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys. See you later.
See you later.